way, but there's more to do than plan your New Year's Eve party. Now is an important time to take a look at your finances. Local financial professional Charlie Bowers from Durso Capital Management joins us now with 5 smart money moves you can make right now. You don't want to wait until it's too late, right?
That's right. That's right.
What are some things that people should be doing?
Can you believe the year's almost over?
Right.
That means tax season's right around the corner. So why don't we go ahead and get our taxes organized? That's the first thing we'll do. So let's get some folders together and start collecting our tax documents. Your incomes, your expenses, your deductions, your investment statements. And once you have all that together, why not do a dry run on your taxes so you'll know what your situation is moving into the new year? And then, if you can do this in December, it's a great idea because you can take some actions if you choose to.
And you can also file earlier than, not waiting until April 15th or whenever the tax day will be.
You can do it early, especially if you're getting a refund. Wouldn't that be nice?
Right, right.
The second thing, though, is you still have time to reduce those taxes. So what can you do? Are there any payments you can make in December that you would usually make in the next year, like your January mortgage payment? If you make it this year, you may be able to deduct that on this year's taxes. Does it make sense, though, because it affects next year? Charitable deductions, if you can pay some charitable deductions in December, it could be tax write-off for the following year. And then if you have an IRA or a 401k that you haven't maxed out, what if you put some more money into those? Does that make sense where you can get the tax deferral for those dollars? Because
all of this will help people, everyone really wants more money in their pocket, and this may help you get that way, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So what are some other things, other than tax? Are there anything other than taxes that people should be concerned about?
Well, let's say we're looking forward to set our financial plan, our situation for 2018, and we can look forward by looking back. So in 2017, were there any unnecessary expenses that you had that you can cut out going forward into 2018? You know what you saved in 2017. Can you bump your savings in 2018? Did you have a budget in 2017? Let's go ahead and see how that impacts a budget going forward into 2018.
And I imagine that a budget is probably the most important thing that someone could probably do if they want to look at exactly what they're spending.
It's going to help you. There's no question about it.
It's going to help you, right? Exactly. Yeah. What about anything else that people should be doing?
Some things that people still related to taxes is like, can you convert your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA? It's not going to help you with your taxes this year because whatever you convert is going to be taxable. That money's going to be taxable. But when you take that money out in the future, not only what you contributed, but your earnings are going to be tax-free.
All right. Charlie Bowers, thank you so much for coming in.
Good deal.
All right. Happy holidays to you.
Thank you, Howard.
All right. Stay with us. We'll be right back.